Hello, welcome to my channel. Beautiful morning here, and today I want to start a long topic of like a series of small videos regarding human qualities. And what are these qualities? These are the human qualities. These are the set of qualities that you would have, that you should have, to be able to call yourself a human being. In today's video I want to do the first quality, and the first quality of that I want to talk about is sense of humor. What is sense of humor? You all know, right? But for me, sense of humor is mostly the ability to actually laugh at life in general. Laugh at yourself. If you cannot laugh at yourself, then laughing at somebody else is just kind of wrong. You're doing it out of wrong reasons, maybe. Okay. There's such a saying as humor is a quality of God's, and it could not be more true. If you find yourself in a negative situation and somehow you're able to pull out your sense of humor and just laugh at it, just understand the comic part about this stuff. Yes, it might be tragic, but there's always some kind of part of humor. You could always look at it from a humorous point of view at any situation. And you know what's gonna do? It's just gonna relax you. It's just gonna release these feelings of fear, grief, or regret, or whatever. All the negativity, it just gets blown away with this one little thing like humor. Okay, so develop that quality, cherish it, enjoy it, learn how to use it, unleash it. Okay, use it more often. Be funny, because everything is funny. You will find your balance. I know some people sometimes get upset when you make jokes around them on certain, maybe not so appropriate things, but still, it's their problem. Okay, they need to work on themselves, but your goal is to work on you. So do yourself a favor, find it within you, because we all have it. We all have it. It's built in. So find your humor part, find your style, find the strength to laugh at those situations, at hard situations. That's how you're gonna train. That's the best way to train yourself, is to laugh at the hardest, at the scariest of situations in your life, and just enjoy them. I hope it makes sense. If you don't agree with me, comment. Tell me why. Let's discuss. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.